welcome to another class of computer lessons. So today we are going to learn about a new chapter. So the chapter name is Using the Mouse. What is our new chapter name? Using the Mouse. You know mouse. Okay. So before that, what are the important parts of a computer? We know monitor, keyboard, mouse, speaker and CPU. These are the 5 important parts of a computer. So, you know what is a mouse? Yes, it looks like a real mouse, right? So, mouse is a pointing device. Mouse is a what? Pointing device. Mouse is pointing device. Pointing means what? Using our fingers, we can point an object. Using our finger, we can point an object. For example, so look here, I am pointing an object apple with my forefinger. This is an apple, right? So, how I point this object? Using my forefinger. So, this is an apple. So, this is for pointing. This is for point. This finger is used for pointing. So, mouse is which type of device? Pointing device. Mouse is pointing device. And we know finger. So this finger is called thumb. 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 And this finger is forefinger or index finger. INDEX. Index finger. And this finger is middle finger. MIDDLE. Middle finger. And this is ring finger. RING. Ring finger. And this is a very small finger, that is pinky finger or little finger. Pinky or little. So, which is the finger we used for pointing? Index finger or forefinger. So, we know this is thumb, index, middle, ring and pinky finger or little finger. So, we used index finger or forefinger for pointing a device. So, similarly, the mouse is which type of device? Pointing device. Mouse. What is the spelling of mouse? M-O-U-S-E. Mouse is pointing device. So here, look at the page number 30 in your textbook. You use your hand to point at things. I like this orange cap. So here, there are some caps. Like orange cap, blue cap, green cap and yellow cap. So here is a boy. He says, I like this orange cap. So can you see this orange cap? So point your finger to that cap. Which cap? Orange cap. I like this orange cap. I like this orange cap. Then here a mouse is used to point at objects on the monitor screen. Mouse is a pointing device. Why a mouse is called a pointing device? Because this is our monitor. Then there is a pointer which is attached to the screen. What is that? Pointer. P-O-I-N-T-E-R. Pointer. So, there is a pointer which is attached to the screen. There is a pointer which is attached to the screen. So, that's why mouse is called pointing device. That's why mouse is called pointing device. Then what is the spelling of pointing? P-O-I-N-T-I-N-G. Pointing. P-O-I-N-T-I-N-G. P-O-I-N-T-I-N-G. Here the boy works on the computer and using the mouse he points the object cap using the mouse pointer. So this is the mouse pointer pointing the orange cap. That's because he likes orange cap. So he points the which cap? Orange cap using mouse pointer. So its name is pointer. What is its name? Pointer. Mouse pointer. That is called pointing. Then what is the spelling of pointing? P-O-I-N-T-I-N-G. 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 Once again, P-O-I-N-T-I-N-G. Then, in a mouse, there are two buttons. In a mouse, there are two buttons. How many buttons? Two buttons. B-U-T-T-O-N-S. In a mouse, there are how many buttons? Two buttons. Let's see what are its name. First name is left button. Then what is the spelling of left? L-E-F-T. Left. L-E-F-T. Left button. B-U-T-T-O-N. Left button. So in a mouse there are two buttons. How many buttons? Two buttons. So what are its name? First name left button. Second name right button. R-I-G-H-T. Right button. B-U-T-T-O-N. So in a mouse there are two buttons, left button and right button. Here you can see left button, right button, left button and right button. And also there is a scroll wheel in between the left and right button. What is it? Scroll button, scroll wheel. And there is a scroll. Yes. C-R-O-L-L. What is that wheel? Scroll. S-C-R-O-L-L. S-C-R-O-L-L. Scroll wheel in between left button and right button. Okay. So look at this picture. There is a wire, mouse wire, which is attached to the CPU. Mouse wire is attached to the CPU. And there is a left button, right button, and also the scroll wheel. Left button, right button, and scroll wheel. Then to make a mouse work, we click both left buttons and right button. The mouse wire connected to where? CPU. The mouse wire is connected to CPU. And there are also wireless mouses are available. It does not contain any wire. Like this picture, it does not contain wire. So such mouse is known as wireless mouses. So wired mouse and wireless mouse. Wired. W-I-R-E-D. Wired mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Which contain the mouse which contain wire which is connected to CPU. That is wired mouse. Another type is wireless mouse. Wireless mouse. Once again, mouse which is a pointing device. So mouse is which type of device? Pointing device, because there is a pointer which is attached to the screen. That name is mouse pointer. P-O-I-N-T-E-R. Pointer. P-O-I-N-T-E-R. Then that process is known as pointing. Process what? Pointing. P-O-I-N-T-I-N-G. P-O-I-N-T-I-N-G. Then next, how many buttons? There are 2 buttons. Which are they? Left button, right button. And also there is a scroll wheel. Then what is the spelling of left button? L-E-F-T. Left. B-U-T-T-O-N. Button. L-E-F-T. Left. B-U-T-T-O-N. Button. Left button. R-I-G-H-T. Right. B-U-T-T-O-N. Button. Right button. Right button. Then also there is a scroll wheel between them. S-C-R-O-L-L. S-C-R-O-L-L. Scroll wheel. Scroll wheel in between them. Then there is a mouse pointer on the screen which moves in the direction of mouse. Okay. Next is holding the mouse. Here, the next topic is how to hold a mouse or how to use mouse. You should hold the mouse very gently. You should hold mouse very gently, not tightly. You should hold your mouse very gently. And here, place your fingers correctly on the mouse. Place your fingers correctly on the mouse. So we know this is little finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger and thumb. Which are they? Little finger or pinky finger, ring finger, middle finger, forefinger or index finger and thumb. So we need index finger on left button. Index finger on, place index finger on left button. Index finger. Index, I-N-D-E-X. Index finger. F-I-N-G-E-R. Index finger on which left button. Index finger on left button. Then next here, look here, index finger on left mouse button. Then middle finger on right mouse button. Middle, M I D D L E, middle finger. F I N G E R, middle finger. Middle finger on right button. R I G H T, right button. B U T T O N, button. So index means our index finger. Index finger on left button, middle finger on right button. Index spelling I N D E X, index. I N D E X, index finger. F I N G E R, F I N G E R, index finger. On, O N, left, L E F T, button, B U T T O N, right? Then middle finger, M I D D L E, middle finger. F I N G E R, middle finger on right button. Middle finger on right button. Then next, ring finger and thumb on the sides of the mouse. Which are the fingers? Ring, R I N G, ring finger. F I N G E R, ring finger. And A-N-D, and thumb, T H U M P, thumb. Ring finger and thumb are on the sides of the mouse. Sides, S I D E S, sides of, O F, of the, T H E, the mouse, M O U S E. So ring finger and thumb are on the sides of the mouse. So place your fingers correctly on the mouse. From where? Place your index finger on which button? Place your index finger on dash button. Which button? Left button. Second one. Place your middle finger on which button? Right button. Middle finger on right button. Then place your ring finger and thumb on the sides of mouse. So look at the picture. Here, place here, keep placing the forefinger or index finger on the left button. Then middle finger on the right button, and there is a scroll wheel in between the buttons, and also thumb and ring finger which are placed on the sides of the mouse. So activity, pick the correct way of holding the mouse. Pick the correct way of holding the mouse. So first there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures. So you have to select which is the correct way to place the mouse. Okay, so first one, he pressing the mouse at two buttons positions at the surface of the mouse. He placing his hand on the surface of the mouse. So is it the correct way for holding the mouse? No, this is wrong. So this is wrong. Second picture. Is this the correct way? He just touched his hand on the top of the mouse. So is this correct way? No, this is wrong. So put a cross mark on these two boxes. Then the third one, his hand is placed on the left mouse button correctly, but he done it in a wrong way. So this is not the right way. So this is wrong. So put a cross mark on this box. And the fourth one, this is the correct way because left index finger placed on the left button and middle finger placed on the right button, and also thumb and ring fingers are on the sides of the mouse. So this is correct, right? Is it correct? Yes. So put a tick mark on the box. Then next is the mouse actions. The mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse actions, A-C-T-I-O-N-S, actions. So there are 4 actions. How many actions? 4 actions. First one, pointing, clicking, double clicking, dragging. So what are the actions? Pointing. Then first pointing. Then what is the spelling of pointing? P-O-I-N-T-I-N-G. Pointing. P-O-I-N-T-I-N-G, pointing. That is the first action. Second action is clicking. C-L-I-G. What is its name? Clicking. So the second action is clicking. First action, pointing. Second action, clicking. Third one, double clicking. What's the third one? Double clicking. D-O-U-B-L-E, double clicking. C-L-I-C-K-I-N-G. The third action is double clicking. Double clicking. D-O-U-B-L-E. Double. D-O-U-B-L-E. first one pointing. What is the first action? Pointing. Second action clicking. Third action double clicking. And fourth action is dragging. D R A G G I N G dragging. D R A G G I N G D R A G G I N G dragging. So there are four mouse action. Four mouse actions. What are they? Pointing. First one. Second one clicking. Third one double clicking. Fourth one dragging. Then let's discuss one by one. So first one is what? Pointing. What is the spelling of pointing? P O I N T I N G. P O I N T I N G. Pointing is to bring the mouse pointer, to move the mouse and bring the mouse pointer where you want to point it. So, for example, this is a star. So, just move the mouse. Move the mouse to the mouse pointer. Move the mouse pointer to the star. That means pointing is move the mouse and bring the mouse pointer where you want to point it. For example, here I want to point the object star. I want to point the object star. So move. For example, here is the mouse pointer. Just move the mouse pointer to the position of star. To the correct position of star. Okay. So that means pointing is move the mouse and bring the mouse pointer where you want to point it. That is pointing. Move the M-O-V-E, move T-H-E-D, mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse, pointer, P-O-I-N-T-E-R, mouse pointer, move the mouse pointer and, move the mouse and bring the mouse pointer and bring B-R-I-N-G, bring the T-H-E-D, mouse pointer where you want to point. Move, M-O-V-E, move the mouse and bring the mouse pointer where you want to point it. So here look at the picture. There are two apples and here I want to point the first apple. So move the mouse and bring the mouse pointer to the first apple. So here look at this. Where is the mouse pointer? On the first apple, right? Then here I want to point next apple so that I can move the mouse and bring the mouse pointer to the second apple. So the second apple, it contains our mouse pointer. So that means pointing, aiming at a particular position, simply aiming at a particular position. That is pointing. Pointing means what? Move the mouse and bring the mouse pointer where you want to point it. Then mouse pointer will move to any direction of that screen. Next is clicking the mouse. Second is what? Clicking the mouse. button and release it quickly. Pressing the left mouse button and then release it quickly. Pressing Pressing. Which button? Left mouse button. That is pressing the left mouse button. Pressing the left mouse button and release it quickly. Pressing Pressing, pressing the left mouse mouse, pressing the left mouse button button, pressing the left mouse button and release release it quickly, pressing the left mouse button and release it quickly. So here, after pressing the mouse button, which button? Left mouse button, it makes the mouse makes a click sound. Which sound? Click sound. The mouse makes a click sound. Here, look at the picture. So after pressing the left mouse button, a click sound. We can hear a which sound? Click sound. The mouse makes a click sound. Next is what? Double clicking. Double clicking. D-O-U-B-L-E. Double clicking. C-L-I-C-K-I-N-G. Double clicking. So next is double clicking. What is the spelling? D-O-U-B-L-E. Double clicking. C-L-I-C-K-I-N-G. Double clicking. Double clicking means, we know clicking means pressing the left mouse button and release it quickly. So double clicking means press the left mouse button twice, 2 times. Press the left mouse button 2 times. Press the left mouse button 2 times. That is, click the left mouse button 2 times. Click or press left mouse button twice. That is clicking. Press the left mouse button twice so that the mouse makes a click sound, double click sound. Mouse makes a double click sound. So what are the things we have learned today? First, let's here we started a new chapter. What is its name? Using the mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. Okay. Then how many buttons? There are 2 buttons. Then there is a scroll wheel in between them. What are the buttons? Left button and right button. Then next is holding the mouse. We know this is thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and pinky or little finger. So you can place index finger on which button? Left button, and middle finger on right button. And also we know the thumb and ring finger are on the sides of the mouse. So you have to remember that. The next mouse action, there are 4 actions: pointing, clicking, double clicking and dragging. Here we discussed the first 3. What are they? Pointing. Pointing means move the mouse and bring the mouse pointer to a particular position. Clicking means press the left mouse button and release it quickly. Then double clicking, press the left mouse button twice. Okay. Then we will continue with next class. Thank you.